County, southeastern Clark County, Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, southwestern Madison County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waynesville, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Mason, Xenia, Lebanon, Springboro, Wilmington, Bellbrook, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, Waynesville, Sabina, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Wilberforce and Riverside.